Hey, what is going on, guys? Dylan here for Solo Cuts Landscaping, and thank you for tuning in to another video here on the Solo Cuts Landscaping YouTube channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys that stop by and share some time with me here on the channel. Now, today's video, we're going to be doing live phone calls with potential clients, scheduling them for estimates. So I'm going to be putting the camera on, I'm going to be clicking record, and you're going to hear the conversations firsthand. So let's get right into it. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to be doing some phone calls here, scheduling times for proposals. I thought this would be a fun video to do. I don't know if I've really seen it done in like the lawn care YouTube world, but I thought this would be a good video, especially for guys that are, you know, new into business or trying to get something going. Not that I'm, you know, got it all figured out, but you know, guys that are newer, this would be useful for them. That's who I'm giving this to. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get going on these phone calls.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. Is not available.
Voicemail.
At the tone, please record
They gave me two
your
contact
message.
numbers, so we'll
When
try
you
the
have
other one.
finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hi Jamie, this is Dylan with Solo Cuts Landscaping. Just wanting to touch base with you in regards to getting a time scheduled out to meet up for a consultation on getting that landscape work taken care of for you. So if you could please give me a call when you get this, 937-925-1516. I see you listed a 536 number, so I will try and reach out to that. But if not, just look forward to hearing from you when you get this. Thank you. Okay, so they gave us another number, so I'll try and contact that.
Hello.
Hi, I was calling for Jamie. Okay, well, my name's Dylan with Solo Cuts Landscaping. She had reached out in regards to some landscape and yard work getting done, and this was one of the contact numbers that she had put down as a contact.
Yeah, she told me about that.
Okay, all right, but basically I was just wanting to try and schedule a time to meet up with you guys and take a look at what you're wanting done. Typically we do our estimates on Saturday mornings around between 8 and 12, just that way we don't take up much of anyone's day, but it seemed everyone's at home around that time. Would that time frame work for you?
Yes, I will be at work.
Okay.
But she will be here.
Okay.
So I don't have no problem with that. What time?
So like
Between 8 and 12?
Yep, and what I can do is when I'm about a half hour out or about 15 to 30 minutes out from you guys, I can shoot her a text just to give her a heads up to be expecting me.
Okay. Text or call the other number.
Okay, yep, the 346 number?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yep, I will be sure to reach out to her Saturday morning then.
All right, sounds good.
All right, thanks so much. Yep, enjoy your day.
You too, bye-bye.
All right, so what I'm doing now is I'm writing down basically the information that they've given me. Her name, her address. This is a Facebook inquiry. So writing down her address and then that point of contact number, and make sure I write in, which I always do, reach out ahead of time. But yeah, so we'll get this information down and we'll jump to the next one.
Hello?
Hi, is this Mike?
Yes, it is.
Mike, this is Dylan with Solo Cuts Landscaping. How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing excellent. Hey, just wanted to touch base with you here real quick. We typically do our estimates Saturday mornings between 8 and 12. Would that be a good time to work for you?
Yeah, that'll work fine.
Okay, yeah, it just seems to be easier because everyone's home versus every night going out for an estimate, just to kind of batch them all together on Saturday mornings. So, like I said, typically between 8 and 12. And what I can do is when I'm about 15 minutes or so, or like you're going to be my next one. Is this a cell phone?
Yes, it is.
Okay, if you'd like, I can just shoot you a text or give you a phone call when I'll be on my with a more defined time frame.
Yeah, phone call would be great.
Okay, sounds good. Well, I'll be reaching out to you Saturday morning.
Sounds great. I appreciate the call.
Yep, have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye. It's literally conversation on repeat. So this guy is looking to get, he had an in-ground pool put in. He's looking just for like a stone border around that pool. So we're going to update his information on this sheet. So this is a proposal sheet. This is what I take my notes on. We got these printed at my local print shop. This isn't what I give the customer. We email over the final one. But this is just for me to jot my notes down, anything I need to do. So I will update his information and then we will move on to the next one. Alrighty, so here we are. This one is interested in mulch. So we will...
Hello?
Hi, is this Rebecca?
Yes,
Hi, Rebecca. This is Dylan with Solo Cuts Landscaping. How are you today?
I'm good.
So just wanted to touch base with you in regards to you're looking to get some mulch down.
Yeah.
Alrighty. We do our estimates typically Saturday morning.
Okay.
Would that work out? We do them between like 8 and 12. Would that time frame work out
Yeah,
for you?
that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. And then what is your address, please? That's here in Springfield.
Uh-huh.
Alrighty. And is
Yeah,
this
we're not too far from the high school.
okay? Good deal. And is this a good contact number for you?
Yeah.
Alrighty. And what color of mulch were you looking to get put down?
The black.
Black. Okay. Good deal.
Yeah. I think that's the prettiest.
Yeah, yep. And what we use, so there's a couple grades of mulch in the black realm. There's like a double process and a triple process. The one we always use, it's just a couple dollars, like literally a couple dollars more, but it looks so much better and holds its color better. Is a
That's
triple
fine.
processed, and it's the way to go. So,
That's fine.
all right, good deal.
Okay.
Like I said, typically between 8 and 12, and what I can do is when you're the next one on the list, I can give you a phone call and let you
Okay.
know a better time frame.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Like I said, guys, it is literally the same conversation over and over and over. And I don't know if you can tell. So, from what when I worked at Gordon's, one thing that I learned is just like constantly being upbeat and positive. Like no matter what. Like right now I'm sick, kind of not feeling the greatest, but upbeat and positive. When I would deliver to customers, you know, they'd be maybe having a bad day, but I would just do everything I could just to be like, just right on there and be in a great attitude. So, alrighty, shift change. I'm here in my bedroom because the wife and kiddos just got home, and so that way you don't hear all the yelling and screaming of the kiddos. Came in here to the bedroom real quick, and ultimately so that way, you know, I have it on speakerphone, so that way the customers don't hear like everything in the background. So
Hello.
hi, is this Christy?
No,
know she's not available. Can I take a message?
Yeah, this is Dylan with Solo Cuts Landscaping. She had reached out to us in regards to some shrub removal and installing a Japanese maple. So just wanted to talk to her and get a time scheduled for an estimate Saturday.
Yeah, hang on a second.
Okay.
Hang on 1 second.
My camera battery's dying.
Hello?
Hi, Christy.
Yeah,
Hey, this is Dylan with Solo Cuts Landscaping. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you doing?
Good. Hey, just want to return your call in regards to some shrub removal, and you're looking to get a Japanese maple installed.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Would you be available this Saturday morning?
Yeah. Come out, like, give us an estimate. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, just come take a look at what you're wanting done, so that way then we can get a proposal sent over to you. So typically we do our estimates between 8 and 12. So what I can do is I can give you a phone call. Is this a good contact number for you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. What I can do is I can give you a phone call when I'm about 20 minutes, 30 minutes out from you, so that way you know to be expecting me.
Okay. All right. That sounds great.
Alrighty. Real quick, would I be able to get your address, please?
Yeah. That would be helpful.
Yeah, right.
I live in Northampton.
Okay. Alright, well, I have you wrote down here, and I will be in touch with you Saturday morning.
Okay, great. All right. Thank you.
Yep, have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye. Just like that. Alright, so that is going to be it for this video, guys. Just a few phone calls there for you to see exactly how I go about scheduling my customers. And just to point something out is, see how adamant I was about, hey, we'll be out giving estimates Saturday 8 to 12. Work for you? That's not really me asking them, like, hey, we'll be out there 8 to 12. In a sense, like keeping them in line, keeping them in check, and, you know, like getting out there when it's you know, convenient for me, more or less. But yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's a little different video. I thought it'd be a fun one to do. So drop comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of this video. Do you like seeing more content like this? Because we can definitely pump more out. You know, and let me know, is this kind of the same thing you guys do? I'm always up to learning new techniques, so that way, you know, if you guys have a good system that works, then hey, maybe we can implement it into our business as well. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And guys, as always, remember, do what you love what you do, but never stop, guys. We will see you in the next one. Bye.